If we are responsible, the future will be good for the future generations. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, 2023, Chapter 3, General Exceptions. Welcome to this overview of Chapter 3, General Exceptions from the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, 2023. Under Section 14, actions done in good faith under a mistake of fact, believing they are bound by law, are not offences. For example, if a soldier fires on a mob under orders, or an officer arrests the wrong person due to mistaken identity, these are not offences. Section 15 states that actions taken by judges, acting within their judicial powers, are not offences. Section 16 clarifies that actions done in good faith under court orders are not offences, even if the court lacked jurisdiction. Section 17 explains that actions justified by law, or believed in good faith to be justified, are not offences. For instance, if someone arrests a person mistakenly believed to be a murderer, it is not an offense. Under Section 18, accidental actions or misfortunes, without criminal intent, in lawful activities are not offences. For example, if a hatchet head flies off and kills a bystander accidentally, it is not an offense. Section 19 states that actions done without criminal intent, in good faith to prevent other harm, are not offences. Illustrations include a captain changing course to avoid a collision or pulling down houses to stop a fire from spreading. Sections 20 and 21 specify that actions by children under 7 years old are not offences, and actions by children aged 7 to 12 are not offences if they lack sufficient understanding. Section 22 clarifies that actions by persons of unsound mind, who cannot understand their actions, are not offences. Sections 23 and 24 explain that actions done under involuntary intoxication are not offences. However, actions done under voluntary intoxication are treated as if the person had normal knowledge, unless intoxicated without their consent. Sections 25 to 28 state that actions causing harm with consent are not offences unless death or grievous harm is intended or known to be likely. For example, if two people agree to fence for amusement and one gets hurt without foul play, it is not an offense. Sections 29 and 30 clarify that actions done in good faith for someone's benefit are not offences, even without their consent, if consent is impossible. For instance, a surgeon performing emergency surgery on an unconscious person is not an offense. Section 31 states that good faith communication for someone's benefit, even if it causes harm, is not an offense. Section 32 explains that actions under threats of instant death are not offences, except for murder and state offences punishable by death. Section 33 states that actions causing slight harm, which a person of ordinary sense would not complain about, are not offences. Now, let's discuss the right of private defense. Section 34 allows actions in private defense of body and property. Sections 35 to 44 cover specific cases. Private defense is allowed against acts done under youth, unsound mind, intoxication, or misconception. There is no defense against public servants acting in good faith or when public authority protection is available. Private defense can cause death if facing severe assault, rape, kidnapping, or similar threats. Defense of property includes preventing robbery, housebreaking at night, and mischief. Defense continues as long as the threat exists. Risk of harm to innocents in defending oneself is justified. This concludes our summary of Chapter 3, General Exceptions of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, 2023. Stay tuned to info9 Cyber Media for more insights. Stay informed. Live in comfort.